Good afternoon, class. My name is Adam Hendriksen, and I'm here to discuss and show a couple illustrations of the integumentary system as well as the compact bone system, and more importantly, focus on the integumentary system because that's what was asked to be described of. So I'm not an arts major, but I gave it my best try. Here's a picture of the integumentary system with the epidermis, the dermis, and hypodermis all clearly displayed with their adipose tissue at the bottom here. And then we get into our sebaceous gland here next to the hair follicle, which provides us with sebum to the surface of the skin. Oils protects us from water, protects us from, and also creates an acid mantle that protects us from bacteria and maybe even a little bit of different funguses, but also it can help feed those funguses as our body, these disease processes feed off of it. And then we also get into the breakdown of these different layers, corneum, lucidum, granulosum, spinosum, and basal regions of the skin, all are stratum based, which I like to think that in Latin means section or layer or something like that. But the papillary region here is how these little concave sections look like papules, almost like it's a separate area of the skin, almost velcro together. And then when we go deeper from the papillary region, we get into our reticular region. The compact bone lab activity didn't ask us to describe anything, just wanted us to make sure that we had our osteon and periosteum and the area where the bone marrow here is great, and the vascular regions, all the different veins and arteries and such, and I find that very interesting that our bone is actually so vascular. And then an osteon section here with a central canal and a bunch of astrocytes here who are helping to break bone apart and build bone all at the same time, which is really great. And then we get into our skeleton over here, and what was asked is just to describe the regions that were here. So cervicular, thoracic, lumbar, sacrum, and coccyx. And how I remember the number of these that we need is we wake up at 7 in the morning and eat breakfast. At 12, we eat lunch, which is our thoracic region. And then at 5, we eat dinner, which is our lumbar. We also have one dessert, which is our sacrum, and one nightcap, which is our coccyx. And that's how I remember, just going through kind of meals of the day. And I hope you found this helpful. I hope it meets all the standards of the lab today. And you guys have a great day and happy Thanksgiving. Happy late Thanksgiving.